Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered why some days you feel unstoppable, while on others, even the simplest tasks seem impossible? The answer lies in your brain. Today, we're diving into the science behind motivation, how neurotransmitters like dopamine influence your drive, and how you can create sustainable motivation through habits. Let's explore the fascinating connection between your brain and your ability to take action. First, let's talk about dopamine, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. Dopamine plays a crucial role in motivation, reward, and pleasure. When you achieve a goal or even anticipate something rewarding, your brain releases dopamine, which makes you feel good and motivates you to keep going. But here's the catch: dopamine isn't just about rewards, it's also about the pursuit of goals. This is why setting clear, achievable goals is so important. Every time you take a step toward your goal, your brain gets a little dopamine boost, keeping you motivated to continue. However, dopamine isn't the only player in the game. Other neurotransmitters, like serotonin and endorphins, also influence your mood and energy levels. Serotonin helps regulate your mood and promotes feelings of well-being, while endorphins act as natural painkillers and stress relievers. Together, these chemicals create a balance that affects your overall motivation. For example, low serotonin levels can lead to feelings of lethargy or depression, making it harder to stay motivated. That's why activities like exercise, sunlight exposure, and healthy eating are so important. They help regulate these neurotransmitters and keep your brain in a motivated state. Now, let's talk about habits and how they can create a sustainable cycle of motivation. Habits are powerful because they reduce the mental effort needed to make decisions. When you turn a behavior into a habit, your brain essentially goes on autopilot, making it easier to stay consistent. For example, if you make exercise a daily habit, you won't need to rely on motivation to get started. It will just become part of your routine. The key is to start small and build momentum. Over time, these habits create a positive feedback loop. The more you do them, the more motivated you'll feel to keep going. One of the best ways to build habits is by using the habit loop: cue, routine, and reward. The cue is a trigger that tells your brain to start the habit, like setting out your workout clothes the night before. The routine is the behavior itself, like going for a run. And the reward is the positive feeling or outcome you get from completing the habit, like the endorphin rush after exercise. By focusing on this loop, you can create habits that stick and keep your motivation levels high. Another important factor is mindset. Your brain is incredibly adaptable, and with the right mindset, you can train it to stay motivated even when challenges arise. This is where neuroplasticity comes in, the brain's ability to rewire itself based on your thoughts and experiences. By practicing positive self-talk, visualization, and mindfulness, you can strengthen the neural pathways associated with motivation and resilience. Over time, this makes it easier to stay motivated, even on tough days. Finally, don't underestimate the power of self-care. Sleep, hydration, and nutrition are essential for maintaining healthy neurotransmitter levels. When you're well rested and nourished, your brain functions at its best, making it easier to stay motivated. On the other hand, poor sleep or an unhealthy diet can throw your brain chemistry out of balance, leaving you feeling drained and unmotivated. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video helped you understand the science behind motivation and gave you practical tips to create a sustainable cycle of drive and focus. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from it too. And remember, motivation isn't just about willpower, it's about understanding your brain and working with it to achieve your goals. Until next time, take care and stay motivated. Bye!